said, you good?
Yes, I'm good. How
It's
are
not
you?
your first time. I'm very good. Thank you for asking. That's your first time. You like the service so far?
Yes, I do.
Nice. You hear the
It's
thunder, guys?
exceptional.
Oh, the service is exceptional. You hear that? Don't put it on me. Put it on me Sutherland. You saw me Sutherland pretty. Look at me ugly. Exceptional service, guys. She said it herself. Would you recommend other persons to join us?
Yeah, definitely.
You hear that? She would. Oh, you're coming out? Good. She would recommend other persons to join us. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. There's a package, ma'am. I'm gonna hold on to your package. I want to thank you so much for being a part of the company. And we're happy you're staying in the country. I was telling her earlier that I love this place. It's nice and cool, you know? Yeah? Well, thank you again. Alright. Guys, you can tell them bye for me. Bye. Bye, guys. Remember, click on the link and join us today. Alright, catch you guys later. Bye, camera lady. See you.